Now we are on next topic, that is mountains. A mountain is a conical mass of land rising to which greater height than the surrounding areas. A mountain is a conical land rising, like we can say so, conical land rising is known as mountain. And a pointed peak, this one is known as a this one is known as mountain, and this one is known as a peaks. Okay. Mountains generally occur in a chain or line is called range. These mountains, they are occurring, they are forming, getting formed like a chain, like this. Okay, like chain it can be. So we are calling the Himalaya range, we call it, or the Alps range, or the Rockies range, like that we name them. Among them, one each mountains, like 1, 2, 3, like that, so many will be there. Among them, this one is known as a range, no, peak. So example we can say so, Himalaya, Rockies, Alps, etc. Then Mount Everest, the Himalaya, is the world highest peak that we know. We are learning from smaller time onwards, which is the highest peak, which one is the highest mountain, that is we call it Himalaya. And again we can say so, what is the height of Himalaya, that is 8,848. This lesson itself I had set you the height at the beginning of it. Or a small mountain is called a hill. That is what we have to know. A small mountain is called a hill. Generally hills rounded top. We said peaks have a pointed like a conical shape. Hills, what about hills? It have a pointed something like a round in a shape. Okay. This is what hill. This is what peaks, mountains. And lowered between the hills of mountain is called valley. Lowered part, this is known as, this part is known as a valley. Okay, do you understand what I said? First one, this is a mountain, pointed peak, then hill have a round, then what about a valley? Valley is between two hills, some plain areas we can find. This is known as a valley. And deepening or how they are formed, mountains may be three main types. Why is its a formation? We can divide mountains are into three categories. One is a fault mountain, second one is a block mountain, and third one is a volcanic mountain. And first we are going to start our fault mountain. What do you mean? How these fault mountains are getting formed? Go to next page, page number 11. There, fault mountains. Fault mountains are formed when a part of the earth's surface is pushed up to form wrinkles are called fault. So, fault mountains are formed when a part of the earth is getting pushed. Suppose you see like this, one part from here, pressure pushing, and both sides pressure take place. Then this part getting folded like this. This is known as fault mountain. Okay, this center part getting its parts of the wrinkles, this getting wrinkling when we are pushing from both side to another. So both sides, center part will get wrinkled, form wrinkled, that are curved upwards are called anticlines. What do you mean by upward folder, upward wrinkles, anticlines? Then downward wrinkles, that is known as syneclines. Okay, one is a cyclings, Another one is anticlines. Cyclines is known as the parts are curved downward. The parts are curved downward are known as cyclines, and the parts are curved upward are known as what it is anticlines. Upward and downward. The Himalaya, the Alps, the Rockies and Andes are the examples of a fold mountain. Now we can see some of the examples of fold mountain. That is the best example. That is what the Himalaya. And now let us see. There are two types of mountains are there. One is young and old fold mountains. Two types of fold mountains are there. One is a young fold mountain and another one is old fold mountains. These young fold mountains are formed when nearby. Okay, old fold mountains are formed early times. But what is the shape? Old mountains height is getting short. How? Older mountains have been exposed to the forces like wind, water or very long time. That erosion on top part will take place. That is why its height getting reduced. Eh? So, that is why usually lower and less rugged than younger mountains. And the younger mountains peak top will be pointed like conical in shape. What about old mountain? Old mountains peak will be like this, round in shape. So, dear students, now we will meet on next section. At next section we will meet. Okay, thank you. Have a nice